Good day everyone, you're watching Rate to Fixes. On this video, I'm going to talk about how to insert page border in your Word document and make the document look more professional and look good. So once you're on the document where you want to insert the page border, what you will have to do is you will have to go to Design tab. Under Design tab, you will see a section which says Page Background at the top right corner, and select the option which says Page Border. And here, once you select the page border, you have different settings here. You can apply the page border as a box, or you can shadow or 3D. So I'm going to select shadow, and here you can change the color of the page border as per your requirement, and you can also change the width. And here you have an option. If you want to apply any art, you can go ahead and apply any art. This art will be applied as a page border. I'm going to select none, and here you can also select an option which says apply to whole section, whole document, or only this section. I'm going to select whole document for the demonstration purpose. Click on OK, and that should apply the page border for the Word document. So this is how you can go ahead and insert a page border in a Word document. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.